Chinene. How are you, my friend? So the musician is reading through. Please read all the articles so that in future you don't say you didn't read. I'm also very soon unveiling my musicians. You will also sign the contracts, please. Yes. So if everything is okay, yeah? It is very okay.
Raypan.
So Raypan ogenda kujjako wano ekyo kye bakola omuyimbi assigning okubanga kati ali fully under Raypan management. Nengo batera kukasaka bindalo. Sente zo ze bakusasudde. Kati awo kyakola omuyimbi yeewaayo mu buwambe. Okubeera nga takyayinza kukola kintu kyonna nga yeeyagalidde. Okujjako nga tugambye ng'agambye omukulu. Buli lupapula mukama wange. Kati bw'atyo Faymous bw'ayingidde obuwambe. Wano kati wandigidde eddala wano. Mbaala by'okuyita nze. Akajanja akakuli mu buddugavu bwo. Sorry. So Faymous is now under a management. Kati empewo zeewammwe ozigamba ne oteekwasa management. Kikulu nnyo okubeera under a management. Mumukubireko mu bugalo mugyeemu fitina. Yes. So ndowooza kati nze ogwange guba mukama nkamala osayininga ngenda nzijemu. Ogwandeese guba guwedde. So kati omwaka guba gutandise eri Faymous. Sekyo? Kati obakuwa n'ennyumba. Motoka naye bagenda kuba motoka nga bali abawala. Naye obwo obuwala bulina fitina lwaki tebuliiwo leero? Manager. Gwe tewaliwo ku lwabwe. Waliwo ndowooza olabye efitina etandikiddewo ekibiina anti muli management y'emu. Ogenda wuulira kati eddoko. So kiwedde bannaaye. Handshake manager, ayina manager n'ayina manager we Sanchez. Yo copy. Omukulu ajja kwetaaga copy ye. Do I have any copy? Kale. Kale kati nsaba mugagga wange afiranzi. Obange buwedde. Omumaze okukola. Omukyalina yakola. Emirimu gyaliyo kati nze mmaze okukola.
Very, very, very happy right now. The happiness I can't express. All protocol observed. All the powerhouses in the house, the vocal powerhouses, Tracy Mellon, Amos Lovins, and I won't forget to mention Black Sugar right now, currently who has emerged as a very beautiful vocal artist, and then Mr. Chaze. I really appreciate that you made it here. These great artists seated right next to me for having allowed or accepted to actually be a part of my signing today. Also the media houses, I won't mention just one at a time, but every media house here and all the individual media personalities and all the rest of ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here, and I know they have already welcomed you, but I won't hesitate to welcome you, because it is my day to be signed under rape and management, and I'm so grateful that everyone and each one of you really took time to come and grace this function, where we're going to witness the signing of Faymous under rape and management. Thank you so much. Was I only allowed to just extend my greeting? And
it is your day, whatever you want to say. Well,
I wouldn't want to say much. I just want to give a little bit about me and probably the feeling I have right now. Well, I've already mentioned we already have a few records out there. So I would like to mention that it has been a very impeccable journey for me to this time. But I think today is giving a very big platform that is a testament that probably this journey that I had started has just started. And I'm very hopeful that everything that we are going to do henceforth will be for the good of our fans, the media right here, who have been, actually they have been, you guys have been a part of my journey. I know right now we're just making it official, but I've worked with everyone here almost personally, and also underground with rape and management. Well, it has been hard work that I put in personally, that probably the management has been able to put aside a moment and say, you know what, I think with your hard work, your effort, and every other bit of art that you've put in your work, we are able to work with you and probably support you in any way possible. And I really appreciate that. I want to appreciate rape and management. I know I've not signed the contract, but that is why we are here. I want to appreciate rape and management for taking some time to recognize the star in me, and really taking the effort to then bring it to table. And probably, I know behind curtains they have discussed this, and then they decided that, you know what, this is a talent probably we could take on and nurture and probably take to greater heights. Me alone, there are levels really I couldn't reach. There are people I couldn't meet. Everyone here, me alone, probably I wouldn't have met any one of them, I can assure you, because my efforts are way less than what probably the management would give me. And here we are. Probably, who knows, we'll even have it beyond here, beyond Uganda, have better and bigger platforms. But all I wish for is for us to remain together. Let this not be just a one-off, but let us remain together. The people just seated beside me, and people just in front of us, the media, please, I request that we stay together. Let's be in this together, because I'm here to stay. I'm here to do my best, and I assure each one, and even those who are not here, probably people who have grown into my fans. I know my fan base is still growing, but the little that have grown really so far to become my fan base, we assure you that this is a beginning of probably a great chapter, a big chapter that is probably will be filled with great music, very beautiful music, and I assure you to give you my best. I won't say much, but that is all really I can say. Thank you everyone for making it here, and I hope we stay as one piece. Thank you.